My previous gangstalking neighbours moved out in 2017, a month or two after I handed the local police a memory card with evidence of the harassment outside, and in some of those videos, as I've mentioned before, of the tracking, that I'm somehow tracked. But also on that memory card was audio evidence of my neighbours, and that audio evidence wasn't mentioned in the Merlin report by the police, and yet those neighbours move out a month or two later. My then housing officer, he's moved on now, and he was very good housing officer. Knowing that the problems that I had with those previous neighbours, he said he'd go out of his way to choose a tenant that would be ideal, that wouldn't cause me a problem. And I really wanted to believe that would be the case, but unfortunately it didn't turn out quite that way. I'm going to say very little regarding the new tenants, well, new as of August or September 2017, other than they can't fuck with my sleep because I don't sleep here anymore. So I'll just leave it at that. This is the partner of the tenant, Christine Smith, that lives in the flat below. It's the football supporter shirt that's quite interesting for me here. On the back is usually the name of the footballer that they admire, but the name on the back of his shirt is no footballer. So I'll play along. You'll see the tenant as well a little bit later. Stun 1, S-T-U-N, stun 1. Is he trying to tell me something? Don't you think that's a strange name to have? Stun 1. So this is a guy that's living in the flat below. I do believe he's having a laugh. And there's the tenant, Christine Smith. And there's a lot. So they live in the flat directly below, and they're not as kosher as I was led to believe by the housing officer. They're far from it. But don't you find that supporter's shirt a bit sus? That he'd have stun 1 on the back. And there's a man.